Good morning. This is Ron with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. And we are located in Mableton, Georgia and Atlanta, Georgia, in Greenbrier Mall. And we've been going over our Vivdration shots. So our Vivdration shot has 10 ingredients. We've already gone over 9. Those 9 are rose mallow, which is part of the hibiscus flower, cinnamon, beets, ginger, turmeric, garlic, silica oil, black seed oil, and dandelion roots. The last ingredient that we're going to go over in our Vivdration shot is agave nectar. So the benefits of agave nectar. So blue agave nectar health benefits are several. Even the doctors are now suggesting to switch to agave in place of sugar. The benefits of consuming agave: it is low in glycemic sweetener. Sugar, being a processed sweetener, has no nutritional value. It only has lots of calories. On the other hand, agave is found to be low in glycemic index. This indicates that when it won't cause your blood sugar levels to rise. So agave is a replacement for sugar. It is a good substitute for natural sugar. Do you know that 1/3 of a cup of agave equals the amount of a full cup of sugar intake? As the sweetener content is high in agave, you can use less of it. Agave has futans and saponins, which improves high and anti-inflammatory functions in the body. It also gives a boost to the immune system. It contains insulin, which is responsible for the decrease of your appetite. It can improve nutritional absorption and can provide benefits added dietary fiber. So replace your sugar consumption with organic grade agave nectar. So that is our last ingredient in our Vivdration shot. So thanks for tuning in. When we come back to you, we will be going over one of our other wellness shots, which we call Immune Booster. So thanks for tuning in. Again, my name is Ron. I'm with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. We're located again in Mableton, Georgia, as well as Atlanta, Georgia, in the Greenbrier Mall. So talk to you soon.